All right, good afternoon, everyone. It is 3:42 p.m. Eastern Time. It is September 15th, 2025, and we're doing a bunch of trading uh, today. Just published about maybe 3 videos today, but I have another 3 that I have to do. I just got to review them, make sure they're worthy of a publish. And I like trading the last 15 minutes of a session. And those of you who are into OrderFlow, join my free Discord. Let me know who you are. And we can have a conversation, have a free chat in there as well. I also have a Discord where I have a monthly subscriber Discord with its own chat, its own group, and uh, more resources that I post, like templates and the Quant Tower and all that. And I'm building that up right now as well. So right now we got a little bit of consolidation, and we had this move, these little moves from 12. Really not a lot. It's maybe a point, right? But we had no follow through. We had nothing coming down even more, right? We do have some liquidity. It's just very small amounts right now. If we take into effect that we have 15 minutes left, and it's a Monday, uh, anything could happen. You have day traders wanting to get out of their positions. They may be looking to get out of positions if they're bullish. They probably made money if they went up early, early in the day. Um, So we just had a little push and then push back down to the same number, about 12 even. So let's go ahead and focus on 12 even to, let's say, 1475. All right, 1475 because of the delta number here. Not so much the volume number, but the delta. We had a lot of buyers that wanted to buy in here, and then you had the sellers in here. So you got to kind of watch out, for the fake. Right, they're breaking the fake. So we're getting up to that number right here, 1475. And this could tell us exactly. I mean, there isn't much of anything here. If we take a look at the footprint, there's not much, not much buying or nothing. But we do have an unfinished auction here, so that could play a role there. All right, the delta is negative, but we have an imbalance, divergence. All right, so we do have buyers coming in. All right, delta is pretty small, so I'm looking to fade, and 36.36 on the fade. I'm going to fade at 15 even. I think we could probably push up again. Looks like we can. All right, I'm in. So I'm fading to 15. I don't think we're going to make it to the high again. So let's see where we're at. We're holding off pretty good here. Not much going on here. Let's see if we get that push again. We had that push here. We had that push here. We have some buying coming in. So do we get to follow through on the push down? Okay. Small numbers compared to these. Have a couple of buyers that just came in here. We're not able to actually shoot up. Well, there we are. We got a couple of buyers still. It's fine. 72, 77, 79, 80. We'll see if they start adding here. That's what I need to see. And we're coming up to we're coming up to it, just up to 17. Look like 17. We just had a bunch of sellers come in. Let's see if they go ahead and start pulling these bids. Then we see what if they start pulling the bids. We see if we have these bids or we hit the bid. All right. In other words, sellers. The limit orders are absorbing all those market orders. Let's see. All right, we do still have some buyers that are coming in, still staying at about 16. We just dropped down 2. This is the tell right here at 16 even. 1675 looks like it could be also a resistance point. So we need to see them start adding. See, I'm short, so I need to see them start adding more offers, right? And I need to see them start pulling more of the bids. All right, these are very small numbers. 17 was significant before. Let's see if they continue with that. It's 3:48 p.m. So this is looking actually very good for me right here. We take a look at the green coming in, and we need red. So they do. We still have some buying at 1575, which is right here. Just these little algorithms. I'm really not worried about it. So if we could come down to 1550, that would even be good, because then if we take a look here, there's really no way but down. All right. So I guess once we pass 1575, we can come down to 1250. All right. So let's go ahead and see if that plays out. They're pulling it at 15 right here. It's kind of close to my. We just got that pop down, but that was pretty close. You could tell it was kind of moving. All right, so now it's 350. All right, so that was a time stop. All right, so what they're trying to do, they're trying to bring it back up, and now they're going to probably bring it all down. You see all them starting to pull right here? So they're starting to pull it now, and these are turning green, right? So anything could happen here. I'll take it. That's 3 points. All right, if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, share, comment. If you comment, I will get back to you. Also, join my free Discord. I have a free Discord. And I just started a monthly subscription Discord, which you get more access to my style of trading, and resources like a chat room specifically for monthly subscribers, a voice chat specifically for monthly subscribers. You also get a bunch of extras as well. I'll be creating some videos that won't be posted to YouTube. You also get templates if you are a Quantower user. I'll have templates there for you to download, the templates that I use, and try to build a little more value from what I do. And you'll get more, like I said, one-on-one with me, specifically for maybe mentoring or trying to figure out how to get you profitable if you're not already profitable. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.